Good day, everyone. So today, we'll be talking about the popular Android CLI that has been trending as of recent. So what we'll be doing currently is just setting it up and installing it. Actually, I'll show you how to download and set it up. So that's what we'll be doing on this video. So on your browser, right, you type for Android developer, right? Yeah. So you see this here, the official Android developer page. You click on it. Then you go to your search bar, you click on Android CLI archive. Press enter. So this first one here, you click on it. So you see the one for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. I'm using the one for Windows, so I have click for Windows. Then go to your start. Click on CMD. Yeah, yeah. So click on enter. So this is downloading currently. So apart from this, right, you could actually still go here and you can see to download the Android seller directly. So you can just download these things directly into your file instead of going through this process, right? So you can see it here. But let's get down with this first. Okay, it's now ready to use. Click on enter. So from this, we check for Android version. Sorry, come in. CMT Android version. Okay, so it's unpacking our Android version. Yeah, so it has unpacked, finished. I think what went wrong at first that time was that we had to quit the terminal first, then we have to restart it again so that we could see our changes. So let's run it again, Android version. Okay, yeah, so uh, um, okay, so you can see our Android version here. You can see it here. You can also run Android update as well too. Android update to check for updates actually. Okay, so it is up to date. You can also check for Android. So in here you see a list of commands you could use to start your Android app. You can see create a new Android project and as an Android project to generate descriptive metadata and the likes. So basically, right, this is just the simplest method to start your or set up your Android CLI. And for the one we downloaded initially as well too, right? You can check that out as well too. So instead of okay, yes, yeah, I think that is installed directly as well, so just like this. So this is it for installing and setting up our Android CLI on your system. I hope you could give it a try and see how it goes. I'll also upload another video on how to like use the Android CLI to like build project and the likes. Actually, thank you for listening and watching. And if you like this video and the content I post, you could do well to like, comment, and also subscribe as well. So, thank you.